So what is a tech sheet? Welcome back to how I started my luxury footwear brand part 5. So today we're going to talk about tech sheets because I told you in previous parts that I send my favorite suppliers the same tech sheet for them to create a sample for me so I could see who created the best sample and with who I had the best communication. So tech sheets can look very different depending on the product that you're going to design. My tech sheets have two parts to it, and this is part 1 and then this is part 2. The first one is very visual. It has arrows and colors, and I specify all the areas of my shoe because that's what I designed, and what material or what are the specific things about this part of the shoe that I want them to pay attention to, whether it's what's the seam like, the material, the thickness, any of that. And then I put all of this into an Excel sheet in a more detailed way, with also specifying the materials that I want, which supplier they're coming from, what type of seam they should have, what color paint, what measurement the logo. Literally every single detail of my shoe is listed in this tech sheets. And for any product that you design, you need to make sure that your tech sheets are as detailed as possible, because this might save you a lot of money in the long run. Because the more detailed the tech sheet is, the higher probability of your supplier producing a more accurate sample and you having to go through less sample rounds. Other things your tech sheet should have is the name of your product, the name of your style or your style number, your SKU number, and the number of tech sheet it is. Meaning if you're going to resend the tech sheet with corrections, you should specify after the first sample round that you're resending it with corrections. Tech sheets are a key part of your design process, way more important than your first sketch. So make sure that you know how to create them, and if you want some more tips and tricks on tech sheets, let me know.